I think the most important message from the plain language guide is that it's an important message that the manufacturers really, they are at the wheel now. It's their opportunity to lead the way forward to a new digital supply chain.
An exciting message that the guide carries is, for an example, a gentleman just came to this stand and he was going to invest in 3D imagery for his manufacturing company, for his heating company. Read the guide, take away the message before you make any significant investment, because the best investment you can make is in your information offering, not in your investment in 3D.
The most important message to come out of that plain language guide is all around data. And that's the importance, so the key foundational element to having good information flow across the supply chain comes from data. And that data originates with the manufacturer. And that's absolutely key, and that's what our manufacturers need to understand to drive digital within this industry and across all sectors.
I think the most important message coming out of the guide is the fact that manufacturers need to treat their data as an asset. I mean, they have products, that's their know-how, so they really need to think about their data as the asset and treat it as they would treat their product, because at the end of the day, that's their know-how.
I think the most important thing that manufacturers should think about is not to be a passive recipient of advice or regulation and instruction. I think they need to be proactive. So I think they should look at the guide and work out what they can do to get ahead proactively.
I think the plain language guide is a fantastic wayfinding document for a lot of manufacturers who have decided that data has value. And that document actually shows them where the value may lie and shows them a simple way of navigating that process of discovering more value in their data.